Stocks are mixed this morning with a little bit of weakness starting to take over, and commodities are strong. As I look at the equities right now, we've got the Russell down about 0.9%, the Dow a little bit more than 0.6%, the S&P down almost 0.2%, the nasdaq on the other end up about 0.25%. S&P PMI in the US dropped slightly to 51.9 from a last of 52.2, but ISM manufacturing PMI pops into expansion territory at 50.3. Expectations were for a read of about 48.4 versus last month's read of 47.8. Both of these PMIs are March figures, but gold hits a new all-time high, hitting 2286 and change. Crude, copper, and silver are all higher as well. That's the commodity story so far this morning. PCE on Friday came in stronger. First rate of change increase in the headline PCE since September of 2023. Also looking at the 6-month annualized change, headline PCE is running at about a 2.5% clip and core at about plus 2.9% since December. Month over month data on the headline and core came in at up 0.3%, and personal spending jumped 0.8% from a read last month of 0.2% and an expectation of only up 0.5%. All of that is pushing yields higher. We've got a significant increase in treasury yields in the US. The 2-year yield up 7 basis points, 5-year yield up 8 basis points, the 10 years at 4.29 up 9 basis points, 30-year 4.44 up 10 basis points, with the 2-10 inversion moving in the right direction for the first time in a while, negative 38. JOLTS data and Fed speak are big stories for tomorrow. The JOLTS jobs opening data is expected to fall to about 8.79 million, and we've got a slew of Fed speakers who might comment on PCE. We have Fed Governor Michelle Bowman, New York Fed President John Williams, Cleveland Fed President Loretta Mester, and San Francisco Fed President Mary Daly. In terms of data tonight, Australian manufacturing PMI is out. We have a speech by Fed Governor Lisa Cook, and meetings from the last Reserve Bank of Australian minutes from that meeting are coming out tonight. Tomorrow, EU and German PMI data plus German inflation data and factory orders in the US.